Everyone. In this session, I am presenting you the live case study how being as a software tester, you need to do the proper data analysis whenever you are getting the ETL projects, software testing or the data warehouse software testing now. So let's say this client has shared with me the CSV file and these are the expected column. How I start before moving and proceeding further, I will be reviewing each and every column detail, just like how many columns are there, like the country, the region, the different category, the disease component, the request form, then the TRP window. So these are few columns. Then I am also navigating towards the funding request detail, how many columns are in the second tab, and in the same way, how many columns are in the third tabs now. So each and every column I need to review in detail and invest my time and energy, and once I will be able to know all these required information, then I navigate towards my first column sheet. And after that, I just need to do the control A and then the control T now. So after control T, I will be clicking on the OK button. Now I am reshaping the data now. And reshaping the data means that I applied some filters now. So I want to see that how many countries are currently in the first column. So I will be able to see that all the company country informations are there. And if I will be able to see the region information, I click here, all the region informations are there now. And then if I also moving towards the next column, I will be able to see that how many core and focus and high impacted system. So the business rule should be like we need to make this data a meaningful data, and we need to create some of the visualization now. So here, if you navigate towards the data and then data from the table, now this interface might be you not familiar about this thing. This is called as the Power Query Editor. And in the Power Query Editor, there are a lot of functions now. I can, if you just see this one, I just click here and I just click here, and this will be presenting with me the different options like equal format, does not equal format, begins with, contains with, like what are the records we need to show. Now if I just click with here and I just want to say that only show me the records who are equal to, let's say, Afghanistan, or let's say I just want to say that equals to Afghanistan. So the business requirement is instead of showing all the records, I just need to concentrate on the Afghanistan. So I just write here, or the data can be equals to, I would like to say, another country, which is called as the Bangladesh. So these two countries I am only interested. So if I just click OK, now this is the real and practical example of the data transformation. Before it was presenting lots of countries, but just suppose that if there will be millions of records and the client expected only these two countries information, the Bangladesh and Afghanistan. So this is with a very, simple way, with the help of Power Query, I within a seconds I produce this data set. Now the question is there, how you can load this data. So if you just navigate here and click on the close and load, this will be creating another Excel sheet tab here, and only those records are showing which are belongs towards the Afghanistan and Bangladesh now. This transformation your development team will be able to create with the help of their script if the data is in the billions of records now. I'm just showing you here with the help of Power Query. Like if the data is coming within a range of 1 million record, then I strongly recommend you need to use the Microsoft Excel. But if the data is for more than 1 million records, then you must use the Power BI. So this is the simplest way. I just created this one for this record, and you will be able to see that how the data is in front of us now. And I hope that this session will help you to understand and play more in detail about the Power Query you can do, you can fetch whatever you are looking forward now. Thank you very much for watching this session.